Today, I'd like to give you an overview of our limit switch product offering. Omron classifies their limit switches into three different categories: general purpose limit switches, safety limit switches, and basic limit switches. Before we overview the different offerings within these categories, I'd like to take a moment to highlight Omron's selection guide on our website that helps guide you towards the right switch for your application. General purpose limit switches are typically used in harsh or heavy industrial environments where durability, robustness, and reliability are most important. We have switches designed for wide operating temperatures, environmental protection, and fluid ingress concerns. You might see these types of switches used in applications like palletizing, injection molding, CNC machining, welding, or automotive environments where durability and reliability are paramount in a compromised condition. Both series can be had with a wide variety of actuator arms or operators. Next in our general purpose series is our miniature sealed limit switches. Miniature sealed limit switches are focused on applications where you have a similar harsh industrial environment, but size and packaging limitations are a key part of your design. This would include applications in machine tooling, material handling, and mobile lift equipment where size and ingress concern are a constraint. We also offer a line of enclosed limit switches with a variety of design focuses for use in compromised environments. We have options focused on increased service life, reduced form factor, and the most cost-reduced models as well. This is useful for applications where accuracy and size of smaller basic limit switches is required, but now with an additional environmental protection constraint. Typically, we see these used in applications like waste and recycling, printing machinery, conveyor controls, material handling, or compacting machinery. Last, we have specialty limit switches used for non-standard applications, such as sequential control or triggering. We also have specialty switches that are focused on high sensitivity touch, making them ideal for high accuracy of detection applications, such as robots detecting movement as small as 0.01 millimeters. Next, let's look at Omron's safety limit switches. Safety switches are used in applications where you need a safety rating for your limit switch. Safety switches are required to fail in the open condition when they reach their failure point. Omron offers safety-rated equivalent limit switches with similar functionality to many of our general-purpose limit switches that we just recently discussed, with features ranging from reliability, high sensitivity, ingress protection, and cost focus for many of our models. You would see these used in applications such as gantry cranes, lift machinery, machine toolings, robotics, injection molding, and automotive manufacturing. Last, we have our basic switch product line, typically used for smaller applications where greater accuracy and smaller size are required. Omron's most common basic limit switch is the Z-Series basic limit switch. This is a high-precision basic limit switch used in applications up to 15 amps that require a high degree of repeatable accuracy in its actuation. Such applications include elevators, utility switchgear, controls for doors such as gates or valves, and then also foot switches. The X-Series basic limit switch is a direct current limit switch that incorporates a permanent magnet in the contact mechanism to deflect arcs and increase its overall service life. Typically found in mobile lift equipment, forklifts, injection molding, utility switchgear, or other applications focusing on switch life. The A-Series basic switch is similar, but it focuses on high-capacity switching of up to 20 amp loads and has a maximum inrush current of up to 75 amps. Higher amperage applications might include mobile lift equipment, forklifts, or foot switches. The DZ-Series switch controls two independent circuits at the same time. This would be useful for switching applications where you have two different voltages that you're switching simultaneously. Last in our basic switches is the TZ specialty switch, which is designed for sustained use in high temperature applications. The TZ series is able to maintain stable operation of temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius. So these applications may include industrial boilers, power plants, incinerators, industrial heaters, or even ovens. This has been a brief overview of Omron's limit switch product offerings. For more detailed information on each of these product series, please visit us at omron.automation.com and refer to the limit switch selection guide to help you find the right product to suit